Last weekend, my family and I embarked on what was supposed to be a peaceful camping trip, just a chance to unplug and enjoy nature. My brother Tom, notorious for his earth-rumbling snoring, was part of the crew, much to our collective dread. The first night, we pitched our tents by a serene lake, and after a day of hiking, we all crashed hard. Around midnight, Tom's snoring began, echoing through the trees like a chainsaw serenade. Oddly, it wasn't long before we heard an unexpected chorus emerging from the darkness. A nearby colony of frogs started croaking in perfect harmony with Tom's snores, creating a surreal symphony that was both hilarious and oddly beautiful. We spent the rest of the night in awe, and come morning, we declared it the world's first amphibian choir. As we packed up, I joked that Tom should consider going pro. After all, it's not every day your brother's snoring hits such a